Winter weather can be defined as any storm system where the main types of precipitation are snow, sleet, and freezing rain. In addition, these systems can bring freezing fog conditions and extremely cold temperatures for prolonged periods of time. These storms disrupt our normal daily lives, inconvenience busy workers, and thrill children. While winter weather may seem relatively benign, you will soon learn it can be a deceptive killer. On average, there are about 50 deaths and numerous injuries per year related to winter weather and extreme cold. In early February 2011, a massive blizzard covered 21 states and up to 3 feet of snow. This single storm caused over $1.8 billion of damage and was directly related to 36 deaths. It is estimated that over 100 million people across the nation felt the effects from this system. Although these major storms usually have several days of warning time, many do not realize how deadly they may be or know how to prepare for them. My name is David Harrison, and today I will show you how to prepare for the storm and then what to do when the snow starts falling. The best way to survive any type of emergency is to be prepared. There are several quick and easy steps you can do now to be ready for anything winter has to throw at you. First of all, make a plan on what to do in the event of a winter storm. This plan should include what you will do in the event of a prolonged power outage, what you will do in case of a medical emergency, and a contingency plan if you are unable to get home due to poor travel conditions. Make sure everyone in your household knows this plan and review it anytime winter weather is in the forecast. The next step in the preparation process is to make a winter weather emergency kit. FEMA, in partnership with the National Weather Service, has put together a list of items to have ready in the event of a winter storm. This list includes non-perishable foods, water, a flashlight, batteries, heavy blankets, warm clothing and coats, a first aid kit, rock salt to melt any ice, snow shovels, and sufficient heating fuel such as dry wood for a fireplace. If you travel often, you may want to include an emergency kit in your vehicle. This specialized kit can include a shovel, a windshield scraper, snack food, water, a flashlight, matches, blankets, extra coats, road salt, a first aid kit, and spare medications. These lists of emergency supplies can be found at www.ready.gov. Once completed, place these emergency kits where they can be easily accessed in your vehicle and home, and be sure to check the contents when winter weather is forecasted. The final step in the preparation process is to stay informed. While there is usually several days of warning time before a winter storm hits, it is important to remember that these storms can change very rapidly. It only takes a few degrees to mean the difference between a light rain shower and a major ice storm. Pay close attention to your local news station or listen to a NOAA weather radio when there is a chance for winter weather in your area so it doesn't take you by surprise. The majority of deaths that occur during a winter storm are people that take unnecessary or uneducated risks. While winter weather can be fun, it is important to take a few precautions to avoid injury or death. The best thing to do when winter weather strikes is to stay inside. By not venturing into the storm, you will be avoiding almost all of the main causes of winter weather-related deaths. Be sure to maintain plenty of ventilation in your home if you use kerosene or gas heaters, and never run a generator indoors to avoid a buildup of toxic fumes. Keep all heating sources away from flammable materials. If the pipes freeze, remove any insulation and wrap them in rags. Completely open all the faucets and pour hot water over the pipes, starting where they are most likely to have frozen. If you must go outside, be sure to dress appropriately by wearing several layers of loose-fitting, lightweight, warm clothing, rather than one layer of heavy clothing. If possible, the outer layers should be water repellent. Watch for signs of frostbite and hypothermia and get medical help immediately if any of these conditions start to develop. You should drive only if absolutely necessary. Over 70% of injuries and deaths that occur during winter storms occur on the road. If you must drive, travel only during the day. Don't travel alone and let others know where you are going and when and how you will get there. If possible, only travel on main roadways. While there may be more traffic, these roads are usually better maintained and are the first to be cleared during a winter storm. Should you become stranded in your car, it is best to remain in your vehicle unless you can clearly see a building nearby where you can take shelter. Be aware that blowing snow can often distort distances, making a building seem closer than it really is. Only run your engine for about 10 minutes per hour to keep warm, and periodically clear your exhaust pipe to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning. Eat regularly and stay hydrated. If no help arrives, wait until after the storm has passed, and use your best judgment before heading out on foot. It is easy to survive a winter storm without injury if the proper safety steps are followed. Remember to have a plan ready before the storm hits, and to stay inside if possible when the snow starts falling. If you must drive, only travel during the day, and always tell someone where you are going. Following these guidelines could save your life when the storm hits. Thanks for watching.